Welcome to POSable. In this video, we will look through the reporting in the POSable Back Office. Once your business is live and taking sales, reporting becomes one of the most powerful parts of POSable. Navigate to Advanced Reports to access detailed insights, including sales comparisons year over year. This page shows details of your yearly revenue and also a chart to show the performance month by month over the entire year compared to the previous year. This can enable you to make clear decisions for the months ahead for stock purchasing, hiring of staff, and so on. You can also download the data in a variety of formats for accounting purposes from the Accounts Reports page. Employee reports, an informative display on employee performance and how, if an area is underperforming, could be focused upon for improvement. This report page can also assist on developing strategies for times of the day when a particular employee has been very busy or if you have too many staff for consistently quiet periods. Device reports. If you have devices in several locations, then this enables you to track performance. It can also enable you to pinpoint where another device may be helpful in busy periods. Item reports. Reporting on the sales of your inventory makes forecasting and purchasing more effective. You can see what is selling, when it is selling, and how much you may wish to reorder. Reporting is available by week, month and year, or previous year. Payment type reports. This report page gives an indication of your customer's preferred payment method. It enables you to make decisions on if you require further card machines or to hold more cash. Health and safety reports. If you run a business that needs temperature tracking and recording, then you can add equipment into this reporting page so that you can create a record of daily temperatures, which is a requirement for health and safety. Loyalty and retention metrics. Loyalty reports give a full breakdown of your customer retention, spending and redemptions. It also enables you to see how effective each loyalty offer you have offered, enabling you to see what worked and what didn't, so that you can make better informed decisions on what to offer next for your customers. All reports can be filtered by date and exported as CSV files compatible with accounting software. These insights help you move from reacting to numbers to making confident decisions based on them. And that is all for the reporting video. Thanks for watching.